बस तुम्ही वोटिंग केले?
Yes, I finished exactly.
मतदारांची रिएक्शन किती? वोटर्स रिएक्शन.
They mostly it will be a silent voting because there are many candidates, and since there are many candidates, nobody wants to show the affiliation to particular candidate. So people come nicely, wish everybody who is there, and then vote.
वुमन्स वोटर जी आहात न्ही तांचो तुका
Very good reaction because I see many women are coming out, and so they are saying we are there with you.
न्यू वोटर्स, यंग वोटर्स.
Young voters, students, yes, very happy.
They are with you?
Mostly they are with me. Why I am saying, usually now today is the day of voting, and on the day of voting, people should say to you all the best to any candidate. They should say all the best to you. But here just opposite. People are saying congratulations, Isidore. Congratulations. I said, sir, the results are on the 10th March. But they are saying, no, we know that you have won.
Which section of the society?
It's all educated, well known about political life people.